In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can remove shared files from Google Drive. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video. So to remove shared files from Google Drive is relatively straightforward and simple. I'm going to be using the Drive app. And then what you want to do is you want to click that button there that says shared. Click on shared, and this is going to be all the files that have been shared with you. For an example, if I long press onto this one right here, you can see now there's a trash can icon right there. If you hit the trash can icon, it says remove. You can just tap on remove and that particular file will be now moved to your bin. And then if you want to get rid of it, you can hit these three lines at the top left hand corner, and then you can click on the bin, and then you'll see the file right there, and then you can delete it from there if you want. Otherwise it will be deleted within 30 days. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.